This is the home page for the team login. On the left-hand side is the series of business process steps, which needs to be performed by every team, starting from release of strategic decision inputs, which is the first step, to receiving the customer payment, which is the 13th, and the final step. You can navigate to a particular step by clicking on that business process step box. The numbers within brackets corresponds to the business process step number. These 13 steps are performed for all the 4 rounds. Each round represents one financial year. On the right-hand side is the reports section, where each team can view the financial statements, MRP, and inventory status at each step, and the overall results and team performance after the completion of each round. This is the first step of every round in a Lisa game, where each team enters the strategic decisions in terms of price, forecast quantity, sales and marketing, quality, and innovation budget. Teams have the opportunity to simulate the financial outcome of their decisions and fine-tune the strategy by changing input values. Teams can click on the Save button any number of times to store the changed input values in the database. However, once the team submits the input values for final submission, they cannot be changed. So teams need to brainstorm within their group, read the supplied participant guide, and study the market competition data before final submission. To navigate between previous and next steps, click on the links displayed at the bottom left and right-hand side of every business process step page. As an alternative, you can also navigate to a business process step from the participant's home page shown in the previous slide. There are 3 links on top of any business process step page. First one leads to the home page. Second and third links are explained in the next slide. You will find the 2 links, financial statements, and MRP inventory status, at the top section of every business process step page. MRP inventory status table reflects the as-is state of raw materials and finished goods quantities either being ordered or in inventory, depending on the business process step. It is recommended that you click on this link after the completion of every step to view the impact. The other link of financial statements reflects the as-is situation of the income statement, cash flow, and balance sheet of the company. These financial statements are billed progressively as you complete all the business process steps in each round. It is also recommended that you click on Financial Statements link to view the financial impact at the completion of every business process step. In the home page, there are 2 reports links, Team Performance and Overall Round Results, which are published by the facilitator after completion of every round. Teams can view the data of other competing teams in the same market. The data comprises of information such as the decision input values of price, forecast quantity, and the outcome in terms of net income, market share, contribution margin ratio, share price, return on sales, return on equity, asset turnover, leverage, days of working capital, inventory and some other parameters. Total points scored by each team in a market, based on the weights assigned to these parameters, are displayed at the end of every round. Finally, the team scoring the maximum points, as the sum of all rounds, is announced as the winner in that market.